Hello everyone, my name is Sufia Shikalkar and I'm from Pune. Today's my video topic name is the respiratory system. First of all, what is meant by the respiratory system? The respiratory system is the process that intake of the oxygen and exhale out through the body the carbon dioxide. So the respiratory systems is helps to the breathe the human body and exchange of the gases like oxygen and carbon dioxide means the inhalation and the exhalation process is occurred in the respiratory systems. uh, there are two parts for the breathing, two parts of the breathing, inhalation and exhalation. Inhalation is also known as the inspiration and exhalation is known as the uh, expiration. The inhalations draws the gases into the lungs, and exhalation force the gases out to the lungs. There are two parts of the respiratory systems: upper part of the respiratory systems and lower part of the respiratory system. The upper part is present inside the chest cavity, and the lower part is present out. The the lower part is present in the inside the chest cavity. There are some parts of the respiratory systems: larynx, pharynx, nasal cavity and sinus. uh, then first of all, nasal cavity. The nasal cavity is means nose. There are two parts of the nasal cavity: interior near and internal near and external near. The internal near is open to the exterior part, and the external near is open to the pharynx. Next is the sinus. There are air filled face along the nose that helps to skull lighter. It helps to regulate the temperature and humidity of the air. After that, the pharynx. The pharynx is known as the common space. Means there are common space. There are common passage between the for the food and the air. uh, uh, it is uh, it is a common space between the respiratory systems and the uh, digestive systems. Uh, the pharynx is also known as the throat. After that, there are three parts of the pharynx: nasopharynx, oropharynx, and laryngopharynx. Nasopharynx is present between the tonsils. Oropharynx is present between the means it is the middle part of the throat. After that, the laryngopharynx, it is present near to the larynx, because it is known as the laryngopharynx. uh, Larynx, it is a voice box, uh, and somewhat the cylindrical airway at present in the end of the larynx. The After that, the lower respiratory system. The lower respiratory systems is present inside the chest cavity. There are parts of the respiratory system: trachea, bronchi, lungs, pleura, and diaphragm. The trachea it is also known as the wind. It is also known as the windpipe. There are presence of hair. It's called as the cilia lining that trap the dust particles and uh, move them to the sneezing. Bronchi. Bronchi, there are two parts of the bronchi: left bronchi and the right bronchi. Left bronchi is for the right lungs, and um, right bronchi is for the right lungs. After that, the lungs. Pleura is known as the layer of the lungs is called as the pleura. The space between inner layer and outer layer is called as pleura cavity. After that, the lungs is have the pyramid shape. Mm, After that, the diaphragm. There are main respiratory muscles that contract and relax to gives allows uh, gives allows the air into the lungs. After that, the diaphragm controls the breathing. It has the dome shaped muscles at the bottom of the lungs. Thank you.